is that I jumped on the bandwagon or I fell off the wagon. Either way, we have a Blackstone Griddle behind us. It's a pretty massive thing here. Just kidding. It's 2-burner. It was the second smallest one I could find that was still pretty cheap. Just over $100 we spent on this thing. I'm pretty sure we'll get our money out of it pretty fast. So, kiddo, why don't you go ahead and do the honors and unbox this thing. Thing.
Hold on.
Here we have it, the 22-inch 2-burner Blackstone Griddle. It happened. We'll see how this thing goes. Any questions? I have probably no answers yet, but we should have some answers here pretty soon once we start using this thing outside and having a great time together. As always, want to take us out, kiddo?
Keep barbecuing, America.
Exactly. Or griddling America. Cheers, everybody. Okay, I'm going to call this part 2 of the Blackstone Griddle unboxing. This is actually the second Blackstone Griddle that we got from Walmart. We ended up returning the first one because it was defective. I have some footage specifically for why it was defective here in a moment. I'll show you and why I returned it. This is now the second Blackstone Griddle we are unboxing. Again, 2-burner, 22 inches, very small, big enough for our uses, but not small enough where it's not very effective. Can't wait to use this. Okay, what you're seeing here is the reason why I returned the Blackstone Griddle. You see here there are 2 holes, one with a notch, one without a notch, a keyhole hole for the actual cooking service on the Blackstone Griddle. The first one we purchased, one of the pegs on the griddle didn't have the extra extending piece to it where it would clamp on and maintain. So what you see here is the peg that clamps into it or secures into it and makes it keeps it from falling off. One of those was missing, which is why I returned it. Walmart was very agreeable to return, no questions asked. I was happy with that. Here's some more footage of discoloration and imperfections I noticed on the material itself. I wanted to highlight that before I start cooking on it. All in all, I'm very excited to start using this thing. The next step is to go ahead and get this thing seasoned. Can't wait.